How to install a nozzle. Insert the plastic end of the rotor adjustment tool into the lifting socket of the rotor and turn it 90 degrees. Pulling up the riser will allow access to the nozzle port for installation. Insert the Allen key end of the Hunter rotor adjustment tool into the radius adjustment of the rotor. Turn counterclockwise to make sure the screw is raised to allow the nozzle to be inserted. Pry the old nozzle out using the same key if necessary. You can also use a 3/32 Allen key to do the same thing. Visually check to make sure the nozzle screw is not blocking the socket where you are about to install the nozzle. Slip the nozzle into the nozzle socket. The nozzle socket is angled up 25 degrees. After the nozzle is installed, turn the nozzle retainer screw clockwise far enough to hold the nozzle in place. Turning the nozzle retainer screw too far will result in reduced radius or loss of screw. To find these and other Hunter products, visit www.hunterindustries.com/get-hunter.